Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Redmi model and MIUI version, so you download the correct installer. This prevents compatibility errors. Once done, make sure your device is updated and you have a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interrupted downloads. Next, enable APK installs from unknown sources only for the installer, or prepare to use the official MIUI App Store if it offers Google Apps. Finally, sign in to your My account so settings and permissions sync correctly before continuing. You now download a reputable Google installer APK matched to your MIUI build. Mismatched packages cause crashes. Once downloaded, tap to install the packages in the correct order: Google Services Framework first, then Google Play Services, then the Play Store, because dependencies must register properly. During each install, accept all permission prompts so background services can run. After the final install, restart your Redmi to allow services to initialize. If you see synchronization prompts, follow them to complete account settings. You finish by opening the Play Store and signing in with your Google account. This lets app access and backup sync. If the Play Store requests updates for Google Play services, allow them so apps run smoothly. If you encounter crashes, clear cache and data for both Play Store and Google Play services and then reboot. This usually fixes registration issues. If problems persist, reinstall the correct APK set for your MIUI, or consider a factory reset only after backing up data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.